In an era of unprecedented change, unlike anything the manufacturing industry has ever experienced, today's leaders face a crucial moment to shape their organization's future through digital transformation. Digital initiatives have the recognized potential to help manufacturers become more resilient, agile, and flexible with speed and efficiency. Deploying high-value use cases at scale is the key to unlocking transformational outcomes CEOs, manufacturing operations executives, and CIOs are so eager to achieve. However, many initiatives flame out under the weight of lengthy do-it-yourself development projects, outdated or incomplete technology platforms, difficulties connecting to and unifying data across machines, IT systems, and people, and perhaps most of all, failure to align digital transformational efforts with clear and meaningful financial outcomes. Without a strategic execution plan that prioritizes impact, speed, and scale, manufacturers face increased costs, extended deployment efforts, and ultimately, failure to realize financial impact at scale, all of which result in a lack of executive interest and support. The end result? The promise of digital transformation remains locked in purgatory. Manufacturers need an accelerated, value-first approach that comes with proven, high-value digital use cases that unlock real-time and forward-looking operational insights and the untapped potential of their most critical assets, while supercharging the efficiency of their frontline factory workforce. Enter Factory Insights as a Service, a SaaS-based offering from PTC and Rockwell Automation that leverages Microsoft Azure technology. This breakthrough digital transformation offering leverages today's most disruptive technologies, including IIoT, AI, and mixed reality, unlocking transformational outcomes in the form of proven high-value manufacturing use cases. Factory Insights as a Service enables unprecedented time to value and impact at scale through real-time insights that enable double-digit improvements in throughput, asset performance, and workforce productivity, delivered on a secure and scalable hybrid edge-to-cloud computing architecture. To learn more about how Factory Insights as a Service can help you steer clear of pilot purgatory and achieve impact with speed and at scale, visit ptc.com/factoryinsights as a service.